Welcome to the Creature Feature. I'm Molly, your spooky advisor, and today's featured creature is a snake. Snakes often fascinate people by the way they move because they are so smooth and they can coil up, just like Ana Lucia here is demonstrating. What allows them to do this is their bones. Many people believe that snakes don't have any bones in their body because of the way they move, but they have more bones than you or I do. These bones help support their body and allow their muscles to attach, which are very strong, and let them move in awesome ways. People sometimes see how shiny snakes' scales are and guess that they feel slimy. Their scales, though, are smooth and dry. Some snakes feel bumpy like a basketball, too. They even have a special scale over their eye instead of an eyelid, which is why they never blink like you and me. There are many different types of snakes all over the world, but did you know that snakes are either venomous or constrictors? This means that not all snakes use venom when hunting. Constrictors will use their teeth to bite prey still, but rely on their strong muscles to squeeze their prey so it won't get away. We're now going to show part of our green tree python feeding to see this adaptation in action. What you are seeing is our female green tree python being fed. Our keepers use tongs to present a frozen, thawed mouse to her so that they stay safe as she grabs it. She locks in on the mouse and will bite it, then coil around to constrict or squeeze it. Notice how she holds onto and hangs down from the branch in her habitat as she eats. Her strong muscles help her do this. Without having the aid of utensils or hands, she relies on a strong jaw and backwards-facing teeth to move the mouse further into her mouth as she swallows it. Contrary to popular belief, snakes do not unhinge their jaw, but rely on stretchy ligaments to expand it, allowing them to swallow relatively large prey items whole. Snakes are different than you or me in many ways, and one way is how often they need to eat. They can go weeks or sometimes even months without a meal. Here at the zoo, the snakes are fed 2 mice every 2 weeks. Can you imagine only eating twice a month? Now that she has finished her meal, she will coil back up on her branch to digest and rest. Wow, that was so cool! Aren't snakes awesome? We think so too. Now, snakes don't just look cool with all of their awesome features, they also have an important job to do. Snakes act as natural population control for animals such as mice and rats and other animals that can multiply very quickly, meaning their numbers would go up and up without snakes, creating an unbalanced ecosystem. Because of this important job that snakes have, we want to keep them safe and respect them if you see one outside. So you can admire them from a distance, but don't get too close because you would be scary if you got too close to them. Now it's your turn to act like a snake. See if you can win a staring contest with a family member or friend. You probably won't be able to go as long without blinking as a snake, but with a little practice, you can probably beat your family or friends. That's all for now. Scare you later.